This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable coffee cup lids, specifically these Restpresso 2-in-1 straw or sippy cup coffee lids. They come in 4 colors. You have your option of black, white, gold, and clear, and they all feature these fantastic detachable plugs. They fit the 8, 12, 16, and 20 ounce cups, and you can see we have them here on the Ripple Wall cups, which are available in a ton of fun colors, which means combined with those lids, you have a ton of different colorways options to explore. You'll want to check the listings for compatible RW line cups, and just note that the lids are sold separately from the cups. They're made from premium PP plastic that can be used with both hot and cold drinks. They're sold separately from the cups, so you can pick the style and color that suits your need. They feature those fantastic detachable plugs that seal in your drinks to help prevent spills and leaks. They also feature a great little straw hole there as well, so you can use them for a variety of different uses. The design is stackable to save storage space, and the plastic they're made from is recyclable, making them a great eco-minded disposable option. They're perfect for drinks to go, or delivery orders, or to use as a sippy cup for table service for those pint-sized patrons. They're perfect for any coffee shop or establishment offering beverages, both hot and cold, to go.